Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of logging into your Chase Bank account with a straightforward 3-step sign-in method. Follow these easy instructions to access your account securely. Step 1. Navigate to the Chase Bank website or app. Start by opening your preferred web browser or mobile application. If you're using a browser, type chase.com in the address bar and press enter. If you're on a mobile device, locate the Chase Bank app and tap to open it. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button. Once you're on the Chase homepage or the app's main screen, look for the Sign In button. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the website or prominently displayed on the app's landing page. Click or tap on the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your credentials. On the login page, you will see fields where you can enter your credentials. Type in your Chase Bank username and password in the respective boxes. Make sure to check that your information is correct. For added security, if you're using a personal device, you can choose to save your username for faster access in the future. Once you have entered your details, click the Sign In button to access your account. Don't forget to check for any security alerts or notifications once logged in. Keeping your account secure is paramount. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and consider subscribing to our channel for more financial tips and tutorials.